All right. Welcome to the testing room of Burning Spear Entertainment. Playing Mad Scientist with my new toys. I just got some new lighting fixtures in this week. There's the Q12, which I'm going to be using to uplight today in Gettysburg, and my new baby, the Chauvet Nimbus, which we're gonna fire up full effect right now. And we are in an ocean of fog. Holy shnikes. This thing is pumping out some serious fog. Luckily there's no smoke, so my smoke detectors aren't actually going to go off. It's pretty cool. It's going down my hallway. Making sure the neighbors aren't calling the fire department on me. That is pretty cool. We're going to be using this weekend on 2, maybe 3 weddings. As you look, that thing is really putting out some serious fog.